So hello, hello, hello,
How are you?
hello, hello.
Hello, how do you do?
So hello bro, kadi baji ki tipda nya solve no ikdika question paper kabalong men nyau trik jong ka exam di si pion mo ka baplong dak di si iskasil stay. Suka ben oi pi ba ka jengli te kam de ra level 8 ma level 8 kon namar ba kani ka kam ki pan ka qualification ka dai class 8 dai ka jengli ba kiset kala dai class 11 12 dan ki bala dai ki MPSC level ma ki lang kum ki jengli LDA tingum ta ba pen kre dan ka ba pen kre kam yar ma dari pen kre ta ki basic basic re pen kre ka kam yar ka jeng pen kre jeng fi tim ta tengin pen yang ka jengli. Oke, kemudian kong, what are the roaring forties? Ma, the roaring forties. The roaring forties ani. Kakak kan sakare ka westerlies ma. Westerlies kede ki ay. Westerlies kede ki laer. Ane ki win ma bang ki ba. Be naka. Na west ya. Na west is ma. Kani ki laer ki be na west is direction ma. Kini ki westerlies kede kede ha. Kiset be ba south hemisphere kemudian nomor kau thai kalau kemudian ni thì cái này cái này sau nghĩ cái India juga ada nanot thì cái South Hemisphere ke kiri kalau ke Argentina Brazil itu ki South Hemisphere. Okay, the first session of the Indian National Congress was held in thì cái korek sang này cái Bombay mah Bombay thì cái Indian National Congress cái parti kemarin dulu apa India Indonesia political party thì mana bahasa saya tahu Alan Octavian Hume ini Alan Octavian Hume. No, Alan Octavian Hume budeu father of Indian ornithology ma father of Indian ornithology ma Indian ornithology kemudian study about birds ma kemudian study seperti sim. Telah saya ini ka Congress house name ayu house name Praspa Prapo Sun. Dai. Which planet is known as the morning star? The morning star keteng dai Venus. Venus ma. The planet kilap ng morning lah ne evening. Udeu Venus udeu hottest planet mah. Okay. Which hormone regulates blood pressure level in human? De udeu hormone deu insulin ba regulate ya blood sugar level blood sugar level in humans. De manu ba penmi ya ni hormones mah. Ya ni hormones la penmi dau organ pankreas. Okay. Udeu pankreas penmi yang ni udah ni beta cells mah yang beta cells de beta cells kayak apa nih kan insulin. Okay, kayak gajing speed jong kalai apa vacuum ke speed jong kalai apa vacuum badai option C mah option C that is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. Which index measure inflation level in India? Teka inflation kare ka jingkyo dor jongki marba mardi mah apa jingkyo dor jong marba mardi. Example example mo kani katiar man chua pila banyo kani sipo tingka menta pan man chua aja khat lai pila banyo ka sipo tingka menta aja pendu kadau jingka ka boy khatsan wala ka den ka juk jingkia tumar kani kyong ka inflation tela thau kani measure ni ka consumer price index CPI ma. Which Mughal ruler founded the Din Ilahi faith? The Mughal ruler ubalap kani deu akabar ma kani ka Din Ilahi faith kani ka niam ma ka ba synthesize la ne ka ba simlang ki jing kai jong kai Muslim ki Hindu ki Kristen ki Jainism bat ki Zoroastrianism kuma satu video tentang wayu Hindu bobo di kan niam uta deu Birbal menteri jang akabar. Okay. Which color of light has the longest wavelength? Ti ka color jong ka light ka bran ya ka wavelength ka ba jrong du kari ka red. Takadaw PI kiperan kampai ka rong jong karet haki niki emergency sign mo naman makaret ka kam saw ba kan karet ka kam saw ba PI ka kam kring ba kam jang pi kila ba emergency escape here ta. Okay. Ka shortest wavelength pat kadai ka violet mo shortest shortest kadika way kai ka country kemudian the highest number of time zones te kai ka time zones lo ni kin mo no ro kari ka blah ba mo example India mo te kan ni Arunachal Pradesh mo kan ni Arunachal Pradesh kan ni ka Gujarat te kisi apa ka pora ka Arunachal Pradesh Gujarat kare arkanta ndre kisim beda ka time zone kata ka pa yan na Uttar Pradesh na Prayagraj lani Allahabad yo madam Allahabad ka time zone jong India ka Indian starting time kisim na Allahabad mo te cũng ta India jing kan ko time zone kat ba harus siapat harus yakin kumba kat waitali ka time zone mo na kari ka blah bat kim sim retang ko na ba dak sim tang ko kin perkhat ba kalapan ketap ni kitu ki ki ba syong sa is ni sa west mo kum ta kin sim bila jong ka time zone akisi ja ka ri ka ba jeron bondo tang time zone kari ka France mo ka tambah France kam don da list tika ansar ka ansar ka Russia Laladan ka France ka France. Which of the following is a key species found in the Sundarbans? Te mapitip ka dan ka Sundarban National Park. Te ato kapaunan ng tagal lagi Royal Bengal Tiger. Okay? Royal Bengal Tiger. Who is the person chairman? Jong ka neka Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Chairman jong Meghalaya Public Service Commission udeu Dawhai Langstang ma. Mapitip ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission kasi pelong ki exam ki badai ki level 6 yaning ma ki post ki level 6 yaning. Example LDA Inspector SI Inspector Supply, KSI, jangka excise, JDA kita termo. Belong ke exam MCS. Kat bayar ki exam ki pada ki post jangka level 5 siapa apa kita belong dah DSC. Which phenomenon explain why the sky appears blue? Ka phenomenon ka pataya ka daw baka sun bening karong blue. Tiga kau dengar saran ni kali Raylight scattering kene. Te haga kari balas dan ni kau ya ka industrialize. That's leading to the starting of the industrial revolution. Karena kimi ni kong kaga ikari ma. Kiri Europe kada kyo. Tikar ka sarni kada ka Great Britain. Namar pamchwa ka pamini kong ka karkhana kada ka textile ko ba kitanjan kitanjan. Ane kilab dong United Kingdom ane England ma. Which are the first kasibuk written using the Roman script? Teka kot kasih ni kong dutam kabala tho dapat nungkam na kidak Roman mo mapitik pak. Kini kidak jengim ta kideki ki Roman letters. Tika kot kasang ni ka kot puli ni kong ani ka kitab ni kong mo. Ya kini tha daw Thomas Jones. Reverend Thomas Jones. Which mountain pass connects India with India through Arunachal Pradesh? Teka ko rin sa ni ka Bumla kipas kini log kenja ya kenjat kicika ke baka diberi bisa pilgrim ba mo te kandiat sebagai kando thola kadana Sikkim kan mau ni kawan ha garam sebak kani ka Lipulek kadana Uttarakhand ka Sojila kadana Ladakh. Which Indian city is known as the Manchester of India? Kakor sa ni ka Ahmedabad. Kani ka financial capital. Which species is the national aquatic animal of India? The national aquatic animal of India adalah Ganges River dolphin ma. Tuti ba haga wa ganga kidan ki dolphin ma. Kita ki Ganges River dolphin. The SI unit of pressure is the correct answer ni ka Pascal. Ampere day electric current day. Okay, the iron pillar of Delhi is famous for the two iron pillar badan Delhi upang nanam takai. Karisan ni ka rusting resistance marba sarang satya. Uni iron pillar udan hapok compound jong ka kutub minar. Latang balat thau umsim la thau upat. Umsim la thau uni iron pillar daw. Kutub uni lai bang dai la thau ni daw. Chandragupta the second mo. Ding jong usin jong ka Empire Gupta kawe naki empire ka ba ki ang hakaparon siya nga ka golden age in India na ba ka ba haki education ki science ki medicines ki literature kum tar te ke jingli ka ba arphaw in the context of international relations what is the Pak Silica initiative which is recently in the news te kani ka Pak Silica initiative kani sipangkai ka Pak Silica initiative kani siapa gini ki artificial intelligence. USA led strategy focusing on AI supply chains mo. AI kumut artificial intelligence kumut ta abon bahagi ki AI mo. Hapak beliau balai ki ayo kemudian kami ki AI. Nah ki kamsuk. 21 the G20 summit 2025 was held in which country? Teka korek kasar ne kadeka South Africa mo. Ha India la pelong house nem parjan fulai mo kadeka summit. Lasim nem pat en saplong ya ka. Lasim nem en saplong. Mentaus nem en saplong ha USA mo Miami. Kan mau ba ka Miami kadeka. Wei na ki nong ba ki bedan ha USA. Ha South Africa pat kalong ai kadeka kadang ha Johannesburg. Which Indian city was suggested as India's cleanest city as per the Swatch survey? Kakorek sana kadeka Indore kasinong jong Raja Rahu Kavanji Madhya Pradesh mah kasinong kabajabok tu tam kot kumkene survey kadeka Madurai kadan ha Tamil Nadu tega kadan bet kadeka ba kipet kadeka air quality index kajing jabok jo kaler mo ka kan kamdai kasinong mo bakala kasinong ka city kabajabok tu tam kan kum naka air quality index lah ni kala air kajing jabok jo kaler kadeka Delhi pitip kawan pa ar kadeka kawan palai deka kadeka ka third position goes to our own Bernihat kemudian ha riboy kejabok ba kala arang tu nomor kidan gitu ki karkhana thau narde who was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 2025. The Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Maria Corina Machado. Kani kadena ka Venezuela katukari ka ba utram o kidnap yaw president Nicolas Maduro who wrote the book Allies in Wonderland. Mana patau ini kod daw Lewis Carroll. Sebagai ni giveaway pet caption mah. Yaki sikuan exam ko pitip William Shakespeare utho ya kanika. Romeo take me somewhere we can be alone. Romeo and Juliet. Charles Dickens pat matrai bona pipi puli kod jumu kilong Oliver Twist. The current electable strength of the Lok Sabha teka eka kajingkalan jong ka Lok Sabha katkum na kajingdon jiki seat kin mo teka korek kasar ne kadai sanspa sapulai MP mo kaja pi pakalain namar pa kajingkalan na jangi MP jangi bam na kani Dr. Riji Ikisengkon ya pi ong sanspa support mo namar ba ki ong ka electable strength mo te ka maximum strength tibo sanspa sanpao. Okay. Which is the highest military award in India for distinguishing act of valor during war crime? Tika ada kode kasar ni kadeka Paramvir Chakra. Kan baya ka peace pat kadeka Ashok Chakra. Okay? Ashok Chakra. Kamhavir kalong ba second mo. Kamhavir kadeka second in terms of the war. In the context of India, what is the collegium system? Kani kalakam mo. Long MPC level. Teka korek kasar ni kadeka a system where senior judges of the Supreme Court recommended appointments and transfer of judge. Okay? Kemudian kani kadang example kan type ba bantung yaki judge jangki Supreme Court dan kam benda ba sintung lagi prime minister lagi kay hindi dan kam da kanika council mo kanika collegium system hakba la khalai de daw Chief Justice of India but sangut ki membuat ki senior most judge. India recently celebrated 10 years of AMRUT. What is its full form? Tika full form jeng ka AMRUT kareka Atal Mission for Regeneration and Urban Transformation. Which Indian city hosts the world famous Ambubachi Mela? Tika korek sarni kareka Guwahati. Jekli like which award is considered to be the highest civilian award? Tika highest civilian award kareka Bharat Ratna. Kabawan baat nakipat ma pat kaba hadu kadeka Padma Vibhushan mo nagipat ma. Which life insurer company recently in India won the Guinness World Record for selling the highest number of life insurance policy in a single day? Kakorek sarni kadeka Life Insurance Corporation of India. Kabayo ika world record na ba kayo ban deal gain bit kibru ban ted ya ka life insurance policy mo. Meghalaya's first scientific coal mining block is located in which place? Te kumpapitip au arajar katsau kadang ke jingkang no ya ke jing ti do yang ha me khlia jingi na marba ki follow ya kata ka rat whole system kumbat di tleo ka khanai mo lakhang mano bakhang lakhang da national green tribunal mo national green tribunal te menta kila khastang sha na marba kila follow ka scientific te hai la sha ni kong kade ha bendi hati okay. What is minimum support price? Tika ko sana kani number A. The minimum price at which the government purchases crops from farmer to protect them from price fall. Example ng pino ba? Sini si jala jungi bubun bagi batung yaw no. Sensar deh, broom stick. Kasukar kathit akador prajar si ton deh, si kuntal ni si ton kumto. Okay, te ada pide hi ba pi pinde akador sanajan deh lah katet lada pide ka surkar kan tet pelajar mo nomor kani kan yada ya kajing ya dor jong ni ki tintung jin ki mar kunta katet ki surkar okay kibun bag kum uniu khao ro chen ro bo pio ka surkar katet ki nong rep yo tu khao kunta ka sade pa jeng kan ni ka bak ka le ka surkar ka minimum support price MSP mo MRP ka maximum retail price subo da pitin tet example pitin masagol penja yang tu bakito MRP maximum retail price kadar ka bahai do bak beri pidi bende ya ka which is the first state in independent India to implement the uniform civil code te kan ka sar ni ka Uttarakhand mo uniform civil code kadai namar pila man yo i kan uniform mo ki ka civil code kumun ka anya ki pat ba kan ka bantri kam kelum lang la kanok la ka jela ayu yuro klem da kan la ki de ki ST la ni ki SC la ni ki kan trikam lang klem da kan ki follow ya ka culture kuno mo minta kadang persya bahapa mekaya jengi man accept ya the doctrine of basic structure of the constitution was propounded in which case kaya kadang kisah vananda bharti case te kaya kadang basic structure of the constitution kuno marba piti baka constitution kadang kod ba jong ka ri jengi mo ka constitution ka ba ay ka power ikini ki sarkar mo dei ki kino tawan kila ban tawan kit kum ba tho ni ha constitution mo ti ka dapat kajing kay limit ken pakin mla ra ban sipan kala ka domon yang constitution mo naman dan ka ban kala re amla pada ban kala gitu ki basic mo example kum ka fundamental right jungi pimla ra ban kala nam pa ka basic structure of the constitution name the longest mountain range in the world the longest mountain range in the world udeu Andes udeu Andes wahas udeu ni deh tama korek kan sam ni deh udeu Andes udah na kontinen ayu South America okay in which year was the battle of Plassey fought the battle of Plassey layakon house nem kanyo spa san penyo mo which metal is extracted from bauxite te now bauxite ngiyo yo aluminium ore mo kumut aluminium udeu ore jong bauxite sakama kata mo the Tropic of Cancer processed through how many Indian states the Tropic of Cancer upas pratli ki jelama ke kita ki jela kapni kong reka Rajasthan kapa ada ka Gujarat kapalai ka reka West Bengal kapasau ka Tripura pasan ka reka Mizoram berde ko reka Jharkhand pennya ko reka Chhattisgarh kapara ka reka Madhya Pradesh the demographic dividend refers to kaya ka demographic dividend kaya ka large working age population mo population tigan patay kadet mo ha India jungi ngidan ka working age mo kibero kibala tray kadan hapo kadai hapo life house nem mo po kubut kibala ban tray ken namar ba kani kasim ka population mo jang ka ri example kum ka Japan pat namar hatu ka duna ka reproduction mot ka jingka kon fertility mo yang namar hatu kibun kibero kiba Siang maroi kumta ka walking age ru kala kami yao la try la poi life plus ka walking age India jung ke dai 30 below mo dera life plus 30 below ka dai ar panyau try dai ar panyau try maybe ar panyau tai kat bah Japan kala poi life tam try dan ber tu bon bagi siang maroi kibon ber kidan du tu kan jing ba kidan ber bomji akan du badu sisi tu ki imbek maroi which Indian states share the longest international border with Bangladesh? The ka korek sar ni ka West Bengal mo pila ram so thoi tang na nei Bengal dei Bangla ta kana West Bengal bon bhag ki na shi na Bengal ke ki Bangla te kalau teli ki jela ki border ya ka Bangladesh dan santeli ki jela ki border ya Bangladesh kapni kong ka ka Mizoram kabar ka Assam kapala ka Meghalaya kapsa ka Tripura kapsan ka West Bengal ka Meghalaya ka border adu kumba no adu kumba South Polai kilometer. Nah, ketip purak mapitip border ya ka daga Bangladesh adu lie side. The largest freshwater lake in India by surface area is kadeka Wular Lake. Kadana Kashmir, Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Mdere laut taklik mah kecili kali kadeka Barakesh landika Sol. Kabelong tang belum mah. Okay, kadeka coastal lake. Kemudian kahadu kacilika tang makam dari ke freshwater, dari ke wular dari ke freshwater. The Suez Canal connects which two water bodies? The Suez Canal connect ya ka Mediterranean Sea but ka Black Sea. The Planning Commission was placed by which body? The Planning Commission lalu place no dakani ka Niti Ayog ma. House name ayo. HO Shitarik January Araja Khatsan. What is the deepest ocean trench in the world? Kani kebawaan Bateman kepor. Kau dekat sarang dekat Mariana Trench kemudian Pacific Ocean. The Ramsar Conservation is specifically associated with the correct sarang ni kadeka wetlands ma. Teke ni ki wetlands. Bila absurd hok gini wet kemudian pajahi lands kadeka kandau ma. Kemudian si oma kadeki transitional land ma transitional land between transition land kemudian ke transition jika kibala dan kejing transition land ma. Transition land between the rengkau between the aquatic and the terrestrial ecosystem mo. Kemudian gitu ki bentai kemudian ajan arengkat rengkau buat ka wa buat ki road ki angkat wetlands. What type of radiation is used in cancer treatment? Te kemudian kam ka radiation ayo pan treat ya ka cancer. Te ka cancer ni ka gamma rays ma. Te kayak gini ki kuwe pan. Ka radio waves te pilas tu radio kidai nam takin ki connection. Example ki radio ki TV. Microwave pat kana aku tu bagi chat belum lagi nong pareng ki ba. Pen kamar aku tu microwave ka bisugo ka minute. Microwave tata wifi use lang baka to ka microwave okay. Infrared rays pat udah remote TV jongi. Tu pen kan baka infrared rays. Who is known as the father of the computer? The father of the computer. Udah Charles Babbage ma. What is the smallest ocean in the world by area? Teka Duria ko barido kadeka Arctic Ocean kabahedo kadi ko Pacific. Mono botoy kan national anthem of India. Ya kan national anthem of India la ta da Rabindranath Tagore pe pi kalamo ya pitik Ban Kim Chandra toy ka national song. Which is the largest bone in the human body? Largest bone in the human body de femur ma barido de ini ma stepes ini dan haskor ini udah na Thai kadeka kawa ni kalambong dia Thai dan THIGH Thai. Okay, Thai. Who was the first Home Minister of Independent India? Uni the Prime Minister, first Prime Minister. Uni the first President. Uni the first Education Minister. Kan ada Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Jaka ka kloit ka boil. Ndak layo yang ni temperature ka ba 4 degree Celsius. SI unit of force. SI unit jaka force ka dai Newton ma. Dayo electric resistance, okay? Watt David hit light P up on I kan die watt of power as I did of power joules day energy. The first modern Olympic Games were held in the correct sang ni kadai ka Athens ma ya Olympic modern kapani kong tam lapelang hakijuk modern ma hakijuk mau mentakan lapelang ai Greece Athens. How many rings are there in the Olympic symbol? Dan kulit gitu ki rings dan santali ma dan santali tapi boleh dan santali nomor itu ke represent ya kini ki santali ki dauba kan ki kontinen kapani kong ke Europe ke bar ke Asia ke Amerika ke South America ke Afrika ke Australia. Okay, who is known as the flying Sikh? flying sick atip daw mel khasing une de lightning thunderbolt fastest man in the world bombara hispa meter khandai point san tholai second mo une de nong mara pitu isha ka kan thai kan India kan mo. How many players are there on a basketball team on a court? Te dan sangun ki player si team ki balik kaya basketball ma. Which Indian state has the highest literary rate in the country as per 2011 census? Te kadang sar negeri ka Kerala. Te macam nem kami ke news ba kami Mizoram kalayo full literacy rate. Ma sakana mo. What is the currency of South Korea? Currency juga South Korea kadai ka won ma. Kadai won. Nomor kayen kadai juga Japan. Dolar US. Ringgit day Malaysia. Ma. The largest saltwater lake in the world. Kadai Caspian Sea. Ma Caspian Sea. Which is the largest country in the world? Kadai ka ba? Head utam hapatai. Te kari ka head utam hakapatai. Ling ba ka area kadai ka Russian Federation ma. Hakalang ka population te kadai ka India. Who won India's first individual Olympic gold medal? Te kani ka Mary Kom kam padyo re. Kani ka peringkat utam ban. Nakikan thai ban yo medal hakalang ka boxing. Kani ka padyo medal ra Olympic kayo tanga Asian Games. Susul Kumar de wrestling dai ka korek sa de abena Vindra mo. Ubaya house name Rajar Pra. Ya ka gold medal uni uday shooting. The term Grand Slam is associated with which sport? The term Grand Slam associated in tennis and golf ma. Tiki ha tennis kedan satu lagi Grand Slam ma. Kemudian kau ke Australian Open kani ka pilih Januari, nanti kedan ke French Open lani ki angka Roland Garros, nanti kedan ke US Open. Bat kedan ka Wimbledon ma. Wimbledon kila ha England. The Golden Temple is located at which city? Ka Golden Temple kedan ha Amritsar. The first woman chief minister of a state in India was the correct answer ni kadika Sushita Kripalani. Sarojini Naidu kadika first woman to be a governor. Kani kadika CM jang ka West Bengal, jang ka Didi mo ni West Bengal. Kani which is the most spoken language in India? The most spoken language in India kadika Hindi. Kabawan ba ara kadika Bengali. Which area is considered the largest delta in the world? Beringkong ke Mekong, Baal ke Nile, Kabalai ke Deka, Ganges Brahmaputra, Berkasau Deka, Amazon, Tikat Karikasar Deka, Ganges Brahmaputra. Daki ong ya ke basin pat ke Deka, Amazon mah. First 5-year plan of India was introduced in which year? The first 5-year plan of India was introduced in the year 1951. Kani ke Deka, Cintali Economics. Kani ke answer. The living root bridge in Meghalaya is made from the roots of which tree? Tehani. Korek sa kadai Fiscus elastica. Pini itang do robar. Kani kadai artar kadai jingli ka repeat na katuka exam cleaner. Which Meghalaya waterfall is known as the Shai Lai Pateng Khosiu? Ti korek sa kadai ka Elephant Falls kemudian nyong mer ma. Ti kanau si tiang nyong ka Seven Sister. Who was the deputy chief minister of the erstwhile United Kassim India Hill District? Kani sup kani bakal repeat man kani rumah. Major E.A. Rowland. Who discovered the law of universal gravitation? Kakorek sarni kani Isaac Newton. Who is the author of the book The God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy mo kani ka first Indian to get the Booker Prize. Which Indian ruler is known as the Napoleon of India? Kani ka repeat biang kani. Korek sarni deo Samudra Gupta. Which Meghalaya district is home to the Balpakram National Park? Tekar ka sa negeri ka South Garo Hills. Namar West kadan ka Siju day. O kadan ka no correct ang pakala. Dere Siju. No correct. Davis Cup is associated with which sport? Davis Cup is associated with tennis. Tennis. Pila menjaga teng ketuk keningut ki player tenis ki pakampau na India. Lagi kendai ki pau ka Sania Mirza. Sindang Ulinder Pace Mahesh Bhupathi Rohan Bopanama kita. The Renaissance began in which country? Ka Renaissance began ha Italy na Italy na kari Italy. Ti kila man keliru. Who is known as the father of modern of Indian Renaissance? Who is known as the father of Indian Renaissance? Te correct sar deu. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The fundamental rights are guaranteed under which part of the constitution? Te fundamental rights là bu benta hakapat tri jong ka constitution ma. Kapat fu kadeka directive principle of state policy kapat fu kadan sakane ko ka badeka duty jengi kadeka part fu e kane kadai nam taka fundamental duties ma fundamental duties. The term of the Lok Sabha is for how many years? Ka term jong Lok Sabha kadai south name ma south name. I am sans name apa sans name ma. Ka term jong ki MP jong ka Rajya Sabha kadai dos name ma MP Rajya Sabha. Which Indian state was the first to implement the Right to Information Act before it became central law? Kan repeat kan ni. Tamil Nadu. Ti ka repeat bah ka question kum ta pidan kampit ban solve ya kini jingkli pida ban punya bahaya kini jingkli rim mar kinsa repeat di mo. Who founded the Maurya Empire? Kan ka repeat. Ko sar dei Chandragupta Maurya ma Chandragupta Maurya ulap ya kini ka Maurya Empire. The Vice President of India also functions as the Vice President to Vice President ude ulang ro kumu Sherman joka Raja Sabha ma. Speaker dela elect lagi MP. Okay, welo de MP ma welo lalang nak kumne alternative prime minister welo kum nongilam kaliang persya ma welo nongilam kaliang persya. The Salt March was led by de mana welam kani ka Salt March layalam ka Salt March daw matamakan di ma matamakan di Salt March so piang ya ka Dandi March ma. Who is regarded as the father of India missile technology? Te karek sar ni kadai tu Abdul Kalam. The largest public sector undertaking in India is kakarisan ni kadai ka railways. Balik ka railways number kadai makakabahir tam kaba ICAM bro. Ya kumba 1.8 million. Beriyo mo million. Pila tap ko to kakam railway kabalay. RRB gitu. Who is the present chairman of the Meghalaya Lokayukta? Te shwa ban pet ya kansat ko ab noi pi ba ka Meghalaya Lokayukta kal alogum ka kenjakut kadai ka justice mo kitoki kidi kenja judicial itu kimpen yang taka jeng bamsap kan corruption ma ke corruption ma. Ti ka korek asar deu CP Marak Obdeiro retired IFS officer. Dia habaya keren sipang ka IFS ru kadai ko wena ki services ki baki ang civil services develop niat ka UPSC mo tendang mention tayo kalami karsol jo UPSC hakaba na miklia amsyo la pas Hendrai na dis jengi pat kidan kumba sipangut pas ma Hendrai ngut na Manipur lai ngut na Assam but way na Sikkim ma. Name the first Indian newspaper. Teka korek asar ni kadika the Bengal Gazette ma Bengal Gazette. Teka newspaper kamni ko tambat kabaya long try da Indian dakinang Indian kakateng ka Sam Rat Komudi ma KEU Modi. Saya komen kai kakot khobor pani kongdu jong ka khasi ma kakot khobor khasi pani kongdu. The Sangam literature belong to which Indian region? Te ka Sangam literature kadai jong ki South kemudian Tamil Nadu. Which country has the largest proven oil reserves in the world? Te kani simple kani ka dai ka mi news man kani hakaba utram o hertama o like ares kidnap yau persen ka Venezuela ma nama ba kadon dia ka largest proven oil reserve. Which of the following is correctly matches? Ay na pling kini kiba kaba yaha mo. Tika ni pinipi mo. OMS Swaminathan udayo father of Indian Green Revolution ma Green Revolution. Mnay na White Revolution. Green Revolution taka ko ni kalaj ma Green Revolution kumud bakitong yaw kuba rice and wheat ma. Norman Borlaug udayo father jongka White jongka Green Revolution ni mnera Indian jongka Green Revolution mnera blue day kidak ha. Okay, Homi Baba space program ni mnera uday day jongka nuclear. Ti korek asar ni uday Verghese Korean namar uday sipang kaneka White Revolution ma White day kadut ma White. Ki auru kaneka White Revolution taka Operation Flood. Okay. Which of the following is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council? Di ka bomdai ka permanent member ka dei ka region India mo. Menchua aku bersitu kan IP. Aku berang long prime star Jawaharlal Nehru ladan ke jing terwaya kasid. Ya ka India ban long ka permanent member. Dari upat ula IT no siya ka China mo. Tidak sentali ki balong ki permanent member. Kaya ini ke USA, kemudian kong baar China, France, nakadagan sa ka UK, patkadan sa ka Russia. The Satriya dance form originated from which state? Di kumong ong ba pihak ban pet bahay ni ki dance kamtam ki classical dance mo dapat ki sawan bet ki classical dance example kum ka Kathakali Kathak Bharatanatyam Odissi Manipuri the Satriya kari ka classical dance jong ka jela Assam kamtam ki dance jong is pihak ban pet bah. The permanent settlement of Bengal was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. Okay. The principle of collective responsibility in Meghalaya implies dan collective responsibility kumut ba kini ki cabinet decisions are binding on all minister kumut kirai ki ba ka cabinet ka kanon menteri kalasim kumut ki ta'alut ya bara ki menteri ma ki bedan ka kiapan simla kita karai kiapan but ki ma mdai da ban le wei la jong la da ka kumta kumut ka sukar ka kalan. The concept of survival of the fittest is associated with di mana bang kini ka survival of the fittest ma survival of the fittest kumut ba tang uta oba bit utam khan bor utam unsa imma ki ong pamta kani ka survival of the fittest tikani kani ka ba ong daw Charles Darwin ma Charles Darwin te o Gregor Mendel wong ngani upmi ngani ka ude Gregor Mendel ude father of modern genetics mo katuka jing kaya pateng mo katuka genes umdere patulun genes mo GENE umdere kitu patulun genes te Charles Darwin pat ude ubat pemi ugani ka theory of evolution kumno gi evolve example lada kidan kimat kiba sakun no program mundur kisah banyak siapa program hadin ketup kani pateng kem dan kam suri ka kaman nomor situ ka amdon jing sai ti kumta kinsa do na kiwat kinsa mi na ki antina ma kita ka evolution. Which planet has the longest day? The planet kemudian yang longest day Venus ma example kana si ajin itu ipi ba Venus day hisingi kan ba jingi ba day harus pak supply singi. Okay, which vitamin is also called retinol? Teka correct sa ka vitamin E mo. Vitamin E naman baka vitamin C kayong ka ascorbic acid, vitamin D ka sunshine, vitamin B kidon buhon baki vitamin mo, kidon ka famin, ka pilokin, kay kita. 99. Who is credited with the invention of the dynamite? Yung dynamite. Pendenhau atom bomb pendenkam de alap daw Alfred Nobel de Alfred Nobel wa penmi ni ka Nobel Prize Nobel Prize de ball light de ka jili kap sispa ka de ka repeated question kani te ka de ka gas ka ba pen samrke pi lada pi diao soba tan dengan laughing gas pin sarki tan pergi ya pergi haduda yap okay te suka banong pi ba ini expect mo ka nuka kin sim ka cut off mo kumut ba pinyo ban thok lo kalang wich mo de namar ba ka post ka dei ka dan lai pinyo dei tang ba ya kayu ar bat ka kasin ja barok gilang lai pendeu namar ba ka to ko wei ka dei ka nam ta kini ki order shell tribe dei order shell tribe te kumut nyeo banyak kon tang lai pendut lagi post mo te kin sakot syaka lokal la kuno nyupusan hadu para pungut mo kin sakot local language kumtai kin sakot local language te kuskwa ni thu ipi ba menak ni ka kelinaran ka post kelinar ka pala penmi result men Tuesday men simbar ban pas si ka kelinar pia panyo kandai pumak mo kani natip na ba ipalaw jenga berikan tegen inde dai kong jike mo ide tang pelak piong kong jike iya kandai po max te kumta ila sya selek nya ka cleaner ma te kumta mentaru da pio kandai po te ngatarai lakti kanai panyo kampion mo pia yo kampion men lech sam city Check your face prepare. Okay. Thì các bạn save score, save đuôi cái này bên nhớ, cái này po. Cut off thì kita try kin sim prapusan plus saya obi ban rung sing ka local language ma reban kam tigna kadai po mo na wa ngai ka questions kala kam mana kani ka cut off ni rung local kadai prapun reu la ni prapun nyau ma prapun reu la ni prapun nyau max ngam ratip tigna mo tang bay man tai ka try ban yo ai ka kam tigna kadai po dapio kanai po ma sla tigna ban yo ma tika try kin sim karafusan ka cut off la ni what kasyong bada kahat kapipat nes kapipar ani ya kajing le ba jang kiwi ki candidate semua cuba la don ki bayo bon ki bayo tang prapo ki bayo kanai po ki den tang sangut te kebut cut off kan sarit ba ma okay de kan men ma pinyo ban rung kan ka thup jong kini ki nyo posan gut ki ban sa chakot local language nyo posan hadu prapo word mo ki ban sa chakot local language okay nyo posan hadu prapo ki sa chakot local language te ya kitu ki ba umpai ra kan ka max prapo tam chaneng sa perkara ba kan ka exam shokidar sa score ba sa aim higher ba sa aim kanai po tiklut be ki jingli sa pas ben sa pit ba kan jingli parim kitu kini jingli parim na ba ki sa repeat ki session na to iwi sa pit kini ki current affairs ki jingjah kini ki pathai ba mo ku to ka thama to ka straight ya formos kani ka ai ka to ka straight ya formos mo sa pit kita saya lai ban batai ke bangala tinga dei ba jiki ko beli sibon